Hi, welcome to my channel Healthy Treats. Dieting so that you can burn fat from stubborn areas like your belly, love handles, and hips can be really challenging because cutting your calories can easily leave you feeling deprived, hungry, and miserable. But the good news is that there are foods that taste great and can help fill you up for almost 0 calories. So today, I want to go over some of the best foods that fall under this category, starting first with Shirataki noodles. These are actually also referred to as konjac noodles or miracle noodles. And they're called miracle noodles for a reason. These noodles are unique because they are very filling yet very low in calories. Just an 8-ounce serving contains only about 20 calories. Meanwhile, the same amount of regular pasta could cost you as much as 300 calories. On top of the fact that Shirataki noodles are low in calories, the calories come in the form of insoluble fiber. When you eat insoluble fiber, you end up taking in fewer calories in the form of carbs compared to other forms of carbohydrates like soluble fiber and starches. This is because this type of fiber doesn't get absorbed entirely. To be exact, you'll only absorb about 1.5 calories per gram of insoluble fiber compared to the 4 grams that you would absorb if you were eating a regular carbohydrate full of starches or sugar instead. So, this means that for an 8-ounce serving of Shirataki noodles, you'll effectively only end up with a net intake of 7.5 calories, making these noodles one of the best carbohydrates for burning fat and one of the best weight loss foods in general. Another carbohydrate that's similar is slim rice, and it can be used as an alternative to Shirataki noodles. It only contains about 7 to 9 calories for every 100-gram serving. To put that into perspective, the same amount of brown rice would cost you a little over 110 calories. Slim rice is also gluten-free and made from non-GMO konjac flour. This is the same ingredient that's used in Shirataki noodles, but you can eat it in rice form instead, which might be more suitable for certain meals. And the good news is that the texture and consistency of the product is similar to regular rice. Now, since most veggies are also very low in calories, it might not be a bad idea to try steaming some vegetables and serving them along with slim rice for an almost calorie-free meal. You should know that there are also many claims about konjac root having appetite-suppressing effects. Unfortunately, more studies are needed to confirm this, but if it does help suppress appetite on top of being really low in calories, then it could really help with fat loss even more, especially if you find yourself hungry throughout the day. Next, we have the cucumber. Cucumbers are very low in calories and very high in water content, which helps fill you up. 97% of a cucumber is made up of water, and a 100-gram serving of cucumber contains only 15 calories, which makes it easy to add cucumber to your diet without bumping up your caloric intake by much. On top of that, research indicates that cucumbers may help reduce and control blood sugar levels, which can help reduce hunger cravings caused by irregular blood sugar levels. 4. For weight loss purposes, you should eat the cucumber unpeeled because it'll increase the amount of fiber, helping you feel fuller, and the skin contains much of the vitamins and minerals. Another very low-calorie food happens to be sugar-free Jello. This tasty snack contains only 5 to 10 calories and can help you satisfy your sweet tooth without skyrocketing your caloric intake. Aside from the low amount of calories, it contains gelatin, which has been shown to help reduce appetite and increase the feelings of fullness. 4.5. There are also brands that contain no preservatives, and if you buy the Jello pouches, you can easily take them on the go with you. Next, we have zucchini, and not only is zucchini mostly made up of water, but it can be used to replace one of the highest calorie carbs, pasta. All you need is a spiralizer and you can very easily crank out some zucchini noodles. These noodles can be used in many delicious low-calorie meals. One simple option, for example, is to cook them, add salsa, and a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And there are plenty of other low-calorie options like pesto zucchini pasta, that will blow your mind. Zucchini contains only 17 calories per 100 grams, meanwhile, the same amount of pasta contains 131 calories, and it's much less filling. On top of all of that, just like a cucumber. Don't forget to like and subscribe. for more useful content.